let me start with Planswift software. So, people, this is the interface of Planswift. Whenever we are opening a new Planswift, we are getting this window. Let us start with adding a new job. Add a new job from this new icon in this ribbon. So here we have job or code. Here we have to provide a unique job ID. So I'll be providing WB, that is a webinar, and the name can be anything. Just let's see, residential building. And here, as I said, we can store in different location. Here is where we are choosing the location where this job is to be saved. Here I only have the local location, so I'll be choosing this. If you have any server or any other cloud location, you can choose that. And here is the metric. Here is the measurement type. You can choose metric or the imperial measurement are using. You can choose English. So anyone, you can choose according to the drawing that you have. And next. So this is where we add the drawings. You can browse from this icon to the area where your drawings are stored. So I'll be adding, you can add any kind of drawings, even a AutoCAD format, that is DWG format, or in a PDF format. So today I'll be adding a PDF drawing. So this is the list of drawings that are contained in my folder. And from this, I can choose any number of, like 12 drawings are here. You can, if you want, you can choose the 12 numbers. I'll be just choosing just 2 for today. I'll be choosing the footing column layout and also the architectural layout. Then next. Then here is an option, convert to PDF file to TIFF. If you want, this is to reduce the memory and increase the system usage, optimize the system usage. Currently, I will be unchecking this so that I can see the drawing as it is in the screen. And finish. See, my drawing is loaded here. This is the column footing layout. You can use the mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and the right click button for panning around the drawing. You can use the roller button to zoom in and zoom out, which is very convenient. And the 2 jobs are here. The first thing that is to be done once the drawing is loaded is that we need to scale both the drawings. So for scaling the drawings, see here there is no scale is available. So what I will be doing, I'll be taking a non-measurement and I will be scaling. So it is necessary that we should scale for a vertical and a horizontal measurement. So I'll be taking, for horizontal measurement, I'll be taking this 40 inches and 40 feet. And for vertical measurement, I'll be taking this 53 feet. So for that, here there is an option called scale. And I'll be taking here, it is feet, 40 feet and 0 inches. And click OK. And you can choose the corner here. You can use M. And we can pick the second point. You can use the M button in the keyboard to pick up correctly. Yes. And this is assigned as 40 feet, 0 inches. Similarly, we have to edit one vertical measurement also. Here it is 53 feet. So I'll be typing 53 here and 0 inches. Click OK. And we'll be moving on to picking up 1 point here, starting point. Yes, and we'll be moving on to the end point here. And the scale is assigned. Here it is 53. And once the scale is assigned, you will get this icon near the drawing, near the page. So these are called pages in Planswift. So near the page, this icon will be measured. Similarly, we can do one more for this drawing. So here it is 2 feet 10 inches and 1 by 2. Yes, 2 feet 10 inches and 1 by 2. Click OK and choose the 2 points. 1, 2, this one, and you can see 2 feet 10 inches and 1 by 2. Similarly, so here the vertical scaling is only done. You can see the symbol here. Similarly, we have to do one horizontal one also. Here I'll be doing for this one. This just 2 feet only and 0 inches. Okay. Pick the box and it is 2 feet. Yes. So now both the pages are scaled. Now you can start with the quantity takeoff. As I said, we will be focusing on the 4 takeoff. The first one is linear measurement, area measurement, volume measurement, and also count. Initially, let me start with the linear measurement. So linear measurements are generally used for, as I already discussed, pipes, conduits, etc. And also for skirting. So today I'll be demonstrating with a skirting example for this kitchen area. Just click on the linear option and here we will be getting the properties window. Here we can type name of the item. So I'll be typing my matte finish vitrified tiles. Kitchen. And my folder name is here in which color it is to be identified and the fill type is also mentioned. Click on OK and let's start the measurement. You can pick the one corner using the left click and then move on to the other items. Whenever there is a change in direction, you can just use the left click to change the direction. Here I left clicked again and to this corner. On to this corner. This small one and yes, once the measurement is over, you can just press escape key and you will be out of that one. You are out of that linear measurement, and once you hover over the line, you can see the linear measurement as 47.52 feet. So this is the length of skirting that is required for the kitchen area. So it is in the feet. Even if you want, see here, if you expand this one, you can see it here also. So if you want, double click here and the properties box will be opened. And in the advanced, here we have an option to change it into meters, so that if you want, you can see the quantity in meters also. So this is how we take the linear measurement. Then when it comes to area measurement, so the linear measurement is over. In the similar way, we can take n number of things like pipes or conduits. If the drawings are clear, we can easily take the linear measurement. Then let's move on to the next one, that is area measurement. Let's take the area of bathroom. So in the ground floor, we have 2 bathrooms. Here is one and here is another one. So we will be taking the area of both. For that, I'll be clicking on this area option and will be typing the name. I will be mentioning the tile. I will be measuring the floor area for tiling. So I'll be measuring the tile detail here. With for tile for bathroom. ground floor. So the color is green. If you want, you can change the color here. Otherwise, it can be the same. Then I will be changing the floor folder to flooring and click OK. And now we can take the takeoff. Up one corner, moving on to the other. The one here. This area is complete, but I have one more bathroom area to be taken. So I'll be continuing with the same measurement. For getting out of this area, I'll be just using the N key in the keyboard, letter N. And here I'll be starting the takeoff again. Once the takeoff is over, we can press escape key, or even you can right click and go to stop. I just pressed an escape key. So when you hover over, you can see this is the 32.08 square feet, the area of this bathroom, and here it is 59.24 square feet. That is the area of this bathroom. When you go to the takeoff summary button here, you can see the each item in the way in folder wise. So now the area takeoff is over. The linear takeoff is also over. Then I will be moving on to volume takeoff. So direct volume takeoff is there is no direct volume takeoff button. We will be taking off the volume based on area. So here we have volume in cubic meter. So what we will be doing, we will be measuring the quantity required for concreting in footings. So I'll be moving on to the, here I am in architectural page. So I'll be moving on to the footing detail page. Here I have the footing detail page, and I'll be moving on to volume in cubic meter. And what I'm measuring concreting for footing. F1. And the depth of the footing, here we have the detail. And from there we can get the depth of the footing as 127 mm. It is mentioned that it should be to be mentioned in mm. The depth is to be provided in mm. If there is any price, you can provide it here, but currently I'm not focusing on that. And the folder will be RCC. Okay, so here we have 4 F1 footings, so I'll be selecting each of them. One. Here we have 4. Click on one side and progress by clicking on the left key, left click in the mouse wherever there is a direction changes required. Once it is over, you can click on escape button, and the the 5 items are selected. So here what we see is the 30.24, that is the square feet area of the footing. When we hover over, you can see the area of footing. But when we look in here, we can see the total quantity of concreting in cubic meters. takeoff summary, it will be easily visible. Yeah, here it is, 0.53 cubic meters. And you can change this when you can go to advanced, and if you want it in cubic feet, you can change it here. Currently, I'll be choosing cubic meters itself. Here it is, cubic meters. So I'll be taking in cubic meters itself. Click OK. And yeah, the volume is also done. So from the plan, if we know the depth, we can take the volume also using the area concept. And the last one is count. Count is used for taking the measurements, like the count of different fittings, doors, windows, ventilators, even switches, and fan, number of fans, etc. So other electrical and plumbing fixtures, etc. So here I'll be showing the example in architectural drawing itself. So I'll be taking the number of doors, total number of doors in the 3 floors. So let me start with the count. As we did in the last few times, it is like first one is to give the number or give the name. So here I'm measuring door. This is the shape which should be used to indicate the door. You can customize it, or otherwise you can choose from the list here. So I'll be choosing the circle itself. Then the color I'll be going for the neon colors. Just your choice. And here I'll be giving it hold count. Click on OK. And now we can count the doors. Here we have one door. See, the highlight the circle button has arrived here. Here we have the second door. Here it is the opening only. Here we have the third door. Here we have the front door. And yes, done with the doors in the first floor, in the ground floor. Then we have doors in here. We have one. Here we have one here. Here we have one here also. And it's done with the second, first floor also. And we will be moving on to second. And here we have, and this total we have 10 number of doors. Press escape, and here we have 10 number of doors. In this manner, we can we can go for n number of items to take the door and window count, and even electrical fixtures and etc. So these are the basic 4 operations that can be done in the Planswift. And let me show you how the estimation sheet is looking. This is the inbuilt estimation sheet, which we already saw in the screenshot. So this is the inbuilt estimation sheet, which looks like, and we can export it this sheet as it is to Excel from using this export button. And you can also customize the columns here. If you don't want this color column, you can just uncheck it here and it will be gone. And like that, you can customize it also. And one more thing here is the reports. Are the inbuilt reports which are available in the Planswift. Since the materials are not loaded, these ones will not be working. We can load the materials, then all the reports will be available. And if we load the materials and reports. So currently I had added 4 items only. So these 4 items are visible in different formats here. And this format can be also exported to Excel or XML format from here itself. Then the other major advantage of Planswift is direct linking with the Excel sheet. Let me show you how to do that. So this is a sample BOQ that is prepared. So for this, I will show you how to connect with the Planswift. So here we can see there is a Planswift button and there is a connect button also. So let me take an item. So I'll be going for RCC footing. Let me already the F1 which is taken. So I'll be going for to F2 footing. Or F3 footing. Yeah, I'll be moving with the F3 footing for just an example. Here we have footing. So what we will do, we'll be selecting. We can select the connect with Excel. Excel and Planswift can be connected using this button, or otherwise click on any of the cells. Click on any of the cells and just Planswift takeoff and move on to connect. And the the Planswift job is connected with this Excel sheet. Then click on the required cell. So I'll be choosing this cell. Move on. Planswift. So I'll be taking area takeoff for now. CF2. CF1 it was anyway. Choose the area as we done initially. There is one more CF file. Here it is. I'll be choosing these two footings for now. The CF footings, there are only the CF footings. Then SK. And when you come to here in the Excel sheet, system is a bit stuck. Usually, when we do this, the selected cell will be represented with or filled with the area that we get here. The CF2, that is 76.7 square feet area, will be filled in there. Check again. No, the Excel is stuck in here. I'm really sorry about that. So this is how we are connecting the Excel sheet with it is still in connection, but yeah, thank God. Let's wait for a moment. I think some error is there. So I'll be taking the measurement again. So let me. The connection has lost. Actually, the connection has. There is no connection. There is some error has occurred. The system is stuck. So we'll be. So this is how we will be doing the. We'll be connecting Excel with the Planswift. So now I had covered the basics. There are a lot of things that can be done other than this. We can create templates. We can work with any of the items that are required. But due to the time limitation, I'll be finishing the Planswift demo here. And let me move on to the